What's up, everybody? It's been a long time since we actually featured a car like this. It's not our regular stuff that we've been doing, which is Porsches and old school race cars and B26s and GTR R35s. It's something which we last featured years ago, and it's not just a stance car. It's calling it a stance car is going to be a complete injustice, because it's a complete custom, touch every bolt, don't leave any panel unmodified, custom build, and it's this car here. That is a 2012?
Yes.
2012 Scirocco. This is Nawal, that's Nadir. And whose car is this? Let's be honest, who does this car belong to?
To me.
So that's the builder over there.
He works on it, yeah.
He works in the car and Nawal owns the car. So what we're going to do is, I'm focus on them now. We're going to go through this car because this car's got so much stuff happening on it that I'm going to need them to explain to me what's what. Now, look, give us an idea. I mean, the car's obviously gone through a lot. How long do you have this car now?
I have it since September 2018.
And when you got it, was stock standard?
It was stock standard.
And this is the R, so it's got the 2-liter turbo motor in there.
Yes.
Okay, so when you got this car, I mean, do you even think that this is where it would be eventually?
I never thought that this was where it would be, but I always knew something was going to happen to it when we bought it.
Okay, so what was the first thing you guys did to the car? I mean, what was the first sort of steps?
The first thing we did after I got it for like a few months was put in the air seater.
Air suspension.
Oh, so when air suspension first thing you did?
First.
Okay. And once that bug bit, it really never stopped, because this car's seen a couple of different versions, different colors and things.
Yeah.
Tell me about this kit. Talk to me about the bumper, the over fenders, the flares, the wing, everything about the car.
Speaking to Master Builder. Yeah.
Are you speaking to Master Builder? Okay, Nathir, you give me a rundown.
So it's a A-spec body kit.
Yeah.
Obviously, we try to do what they do in Europe with a color scheme.
Mm-hmm.
They go two-tone on. Especially the bumper, front bumper and back bumper.
Yeah, now I was saying earlier that this initial bumper was all yellow, but then you eventually ended up spraying this and around the lip.
Yeah, so what they do is they add the inner and the outer. They make that black.
Mm-hmm.
So they basically add a flow of it, and we thought, okay, we'll change it up a bit and we'll just do our own thing around there.
Okay.
Basically, wide body kit, right round.
Mm-hmm.
Fenders was cut.
Yeah. Okay, so behind these flares, behind the skid over here, it's actually cut in behind there.
Yeah, so we cut in behind there. We secured it back together again because it's a skin and a inner basically.
Okay.
And we riveted back again, so it's not just bare metal. It was painted again. Because
okay.
Obviously, you're gonna get water and stuff coming up while you're driving, and then it needs to be treated so it
Sure.
doesn't rust.
I'm actually still using that tattoos, so I still have it.
You still have it?
Yeah. I don't know why, but
Just in case.
just in case.
Okay, and then obviously that whole kit starts up on the from the bumper, it comes across here, and then you've got the sole at the bottom there. Let's put a sticker there. Do not step here,
Yeah.
because people want to stand on that. And then it carries on all the way through. Same kind of vibe at the back here. Also cut and stuck in.
Yeah.
You mentioned something about it was actually bolted down.
Yeah, so we had to drill 10 more holes through the actual kit and then bolt it onto the body. The back is, I think, 100 more cut up and bolted in, and then obviously flushed again and then painted and stuff like that.
It's a lot of work, guy. And then obviously the H-Pick wing also part of this kit. Is it from the same kit or from a different kit?
No, it's from the same kit.
Yeah.
The supplier couldn't supply us with the wing.
Okay.
We had to bring this out of China,
Yeah.
which landed a couple of days before lockdown.
Wow. So okay, so
Just made it.
just made it in time.
And the nice thing about this is it's plastic.
Oh, is it a plastic? It's not a fiberglass. It's a
No,
plastic.
it's
Okay.
plastic.
That's awesome. And then, so you got then the bumper at the back here, also custom. You say PDC, even the PDC works.
Everything works. The bumper doesn't come with that knockouts that you can actually fit the sensor in.
Okay, so you had
We
to
had
drill
to
those.
them,
Okay.
mount them, drill
Yeah.
them. Use the old bumper's housing
Yeah.
to fit that sensor in.
Okay.
So we had to make it work because this car is like any wire that's not connected. Christmas tree on the dashboard.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
They like throwing lights in the dashboard, eh? And then you mentioned that these the pieces of you've actually got a box at the back, and you put on the
Yeah,
twin
so-
tail pieces on both sides.
They are functional. All four of them are functional. Standard, it comes with double pipes.
Yeah.
But we added two on either side to accommodate for the bumper.
Okay, cool.
Because it's got like massive holes on either side, and these two actually fit perfectly. They were incorporated into the original box, so they're functional pipes.
That's awesome. Okay, so still on the outside. What I actually also want to check out is these wheels. Now, these wheels are from, you said these were from a 7.
Yeah, so this is the Golf 7 wheels, 18-inch.
Well, they were. Tell me that story. Tell me that story.
So originally the 18-inch,
Yeah.
we stepped them to 20. So it's Isuzu,
Yeah.
Isuzu bakkie, Isuzu rims,
Yeah.
20-inch barrels,
Yeah.
fitted and stepped up to 20.
And what are the actual lip on there? What was that from?
The Isuzu bakkie.
The Isuzu.
Yeah, it's a Lenzo wheel.
It's a Lenzo wheel. And it's up by 2 extra inches because Dylan's size counts, eh? So those wheels look absolutely insane.
With this kit, there's actually another piece that comes in here, and we thought we're gonna leave it out because it's just a silly piece.
Well, where does the other piece come in?
It's in here. It
closes
completes
this.
this out.
Oh, I see, to complete
So it
that.
has to be stuck onto the
Oh, to the petrol cap?
Yeah.
No, I think that looks legit the way it is over there.
It looks silly with that part in.
Is it?
Because
Okay.
it's just a thick part, and you can see it's a part that
Like a
it doesn't look like it belongs
Yeah.
there.
Okay. Okay, so
special condition for that.
tell me what's going on here. It's a stock mode. There's nothing crazy, but it's a lot prettier than it should be. And you got the intake over there. That's not. That's not.
So it's the Audi
Yeah, the TS
TSI cover.
engine cover. Yeah.
So we just removed the emblem, the Audi emblem,
Yeah.
Porsche caps,
Yeah.
oil
There
caps,
and there.
R line or race line,
Yeah.
water washer,
Yeah.
the washer,
Yeah.
sorry, window washer.
Oh, the window wash over here. Okay.
So this, the original one is plastic, this is actually metal.
Nice.
Race line, catch can, dipstick was
Some nice bit. Yeah, that's not because you were saying that the normal one's got the ring on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's the Leo cold air, carbon hydro-dipped covers, rain shield? Yeah, rain shield.
Yeah, the drip tray, rain tray.
Plenum.
Oh.
Oh, what
A
now?
wiper plenum.
Now, why do you have to talk all mechanic to everybody?
that's
Okay, so we've got, this is the wiper plenum, and as you can see, it's carbon fiber look, but these have been, they've been dipped, eh?
Hydro-dipped, yeah.
They've been hydro dipped, so it's not carbon, but not only that, there's other parts on the car as well that have also been hydro dipped.
Yeah.
Let's have a look on the inside.
Now, what are you doing?
Okay, so this is probably one of the sexiest interiors I've ever seen. Now, well, What's all this?
So dashboard, seats, back seat, door panels, consoles, all covered in Alcantara with a yellow stitch.
That is so
Compliment,
sexy.
So it's not fake like flocked. It's actual.
No, it's proper actual Alcantara, like you would find in McLaren.
Yeah.
You know, that's exactly what it is. So on the doors as well. So again, parts that we were talking about early on, hydro dipped around there, Alcantara steering wheel with leather stitching, Alcantara dashboard. This is special though. Tell me about this.
This is imported.
That's important. I knew there was something important inside here.
Because it's a custom cane knob that I waited for a very long time for months actually.
Now, who's saying yeses? Well, how long they were?
a long time.
How long is a long time?
All I heard was the gain up still didn't come.
Yeah. So like for months, like almost yeah.
Okay.
So what's custom about that? It's got the carbon R coin on top.
And it says Scirocco.
And
It does.
yellow actually.
Okay.
It says Scirocco.
And
then-
on the side it's branded.
Yeah, so there you can see it there. Okay, the focus isn't so liquid, but it says Scirocco. SHE-ROC-YO. That is sick.
Underscore.
More hydro dipping there. Is it dash or underscore?
It's underscore.
Is it okay?
Underscore.
Oh, the resident Instagram expert Dylan said it's
So it's small. You can't see it, but I know it's there. So
Yeah, but it's a nice
when
touch,
I'm
though. I mean, it's-
driving- yeah.
you know, it's like artists do with their
That's
paintings.
mine,
They sign the painting. You never know where it is, but it's there.
Yeah,
You know, and then
it's mine.
it's yours, and it's good, and it's got working sunroof.
Working sunroof. Obviously did this lining over as well, but it's still.
Oh yeah, so you got the grey lining on top. Always think it looks cool in the
Remove the
car.
sun visors if you haven't noticed.
Yeah.
I had not noticed you did remove the sun visors.
So it's a clean roof.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's incredible.
No looking in mirrors in here.
Okay, in the back seats you've got the headrests. Are those the stock seats? Is that what
This
is
is the
that what?
stock seats. Yeah, also just covered in the Alcantara.
Okay. Now, Thea, take me through this, please, because I have no idea.
Okay. So we've gone with airlift.
Yeah.
It's so much more simpler.
Mhm.
I think anybody that's hands-on will be able to install the airlift. You buy it, you receive, they give you like a harness, a plug and play.
Okay.
The design and how you want to bend your pipes, that's where the tricky part comes.
Okay, that's where your personal preference comes in,
Yeah,
and
so-
how the actual installer is going to look.
Exactly. So you can do everything and hide everything away, or you can display it by actually bending pipes.
Yeah.
So this is actually aluminium pipes that we painted.
Okay.
So they come out aluminium like that over there on top there.
Okay, just be aluminium piping. Yeah.
And what this is it's airlift. It comes out in 3/8. So there's all 3/8 fittings, 9.57
Yeah.
millimeters.
Okay.
Okay. The crap part is it's American size.
I was about to say now you're going metric here.
So this was our biggest headache because
Really?
lockdown happened and we could find nowhere we could find 3/8 fittings.
Really?
Yeah. We found a shop and they opened up for us.
Wow.
I'm not going to say the name.
Yeah, we won't go there, but it all works. Everything works like it should.
Yeah, so the gauges are functional.
Yeah.
Perspex tank. At the moment we're running one tank.
Okay.
Sorry, one tank, one pump. Sorry. We're going to add another pump.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we've got the LEDs that are shooting through the perspex. Subwoofers functional. No, yes, bring. There's still some work that we want to do to it. So obviously we're prepping the car for this.
Okay.
April next year.
Yeah.
So we need to still finish off.
Okay, cool. Any chance we can see this actually working?
Yeah.
Nice. I gotta say, it's been a long time since I've seen a custom car, but You've seen it yourself. I mean, there's nothing about this car that has been touched. It's a proper build. I mean, you guys have done a lot of work on this car. 2 years in the making so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's next? Should I be afraid to ask Dylan? Let me ask you, where's Dylan? What's next?
Don't involve me. Every time I talk, it causes shit.
He's the manager.
I'm like a fucking bold manager here. Like,
There's a lot that's still incomplete, I would say, in our opinion, that we still need to complete.
Yeah. What would you like to get done?
Like you saw, the boot install is
Okay.
not complete. We just saw now that the floor needs to be touched.
Well, no, the floor doesn't. The floor doesn't need to be
The floor
touched.
needs to be touched. And
And then Nadeed said you're gonna make the floor white. So okay, look. If people want to see more about the car, they follow you. She is it dash or underscore Dylan? She underscore rock.
She underscore rock or C underscore.
Okay, you know what? This is gonna be easy. I'm gonna do this. Hold on. That's just a lot easier. Otherwise, we're gonna be arguing about underscores and grammar whole day. Guys, thanks so much for letting me come into your garage, into your home, and let me check out your car. It's incredible, and I can't wait to see what you guys have got planned for this thing.
Thank you.
thank you.
Boys and girls, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you, and we will see you next time with something. Cheers.